there, Bill. Christian Youngren over here at Cunis Nissan of Davenport. And I just wanted to reach back out to you. It's been several days since you originally touched base, and we've been emailing, texting, and calling back and forth, and we just haven't been able to connect. I know you're interested because you wouldn't have reached out originally, but I also know life sometimes has a way of just happening. So if I need to adjust my follow-up one way or the other, please let me know. If I need to maybe shoot you some extra pictures or a video of the vehicle, let me know that too. And last but not least, if I can make it more convenient by meeting you someplace, I'd be willing to do that too. Just reach out to me and let me know how I can help.